So if I have to be honest, it's overwhelming, and it's actually juggling between a lot of roles and multiple tasks. Our purpose is actually to build great things and to do great work that we are actually proud of.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Know the Why. Today's guest is someone who's a wizard at all things identity related. She's smart, she's funny, and she was also the first female developer at 42 years. This is Know the Why with Shashipriya.
Hello Harshita, happy to be here.
Great. So let's start with how was it to join the product management team recently?
Okay, so if I have to be honest, it's overwhelming. There are multiple teams to be aligned, like the QA team, the development team, and we have to make sure the things are implemented the way we want, and then give demos to the sales team. And it doesn't end at the launch. We have to also talk to the customers, get the feedback, and get it implemented again. It's a cycle actually.
You were the first female developer at 42 years.
Yeah.
How did it feel for you at that time?
As I said, it was really a small team, right? So initially I was a little underconfident, but as the days passed and we were working directly with our CEO and CTO, which is really wonderful here at 42 Gears, we have the direct access with them. So their mentorship is something I value and I respect a lot. Everyone supported me here.
Coming to product, if you had to explain identity management to a non-technical person or to an IT team in a simpler way, how would you explain it?
If I have to put it in simple words, I would take an example of ID card. Like, why do we have an ID card for you to get into your company? That is also identity and access management, right? The who is entering the office, the who and why the access is provided, and that context is where identity and access management comes in.
So Shashipriya, you were the product manager who was leading the development of our newest solution, SureIdP. Now, what was the real problem that we were solving with this feature?
So if you see there, the traditional identity providers, they always focus on the user identity and authentication, but they lack the awareness about the device trust, which is very important when you see when we think of the endpoint management systems. Even when we want to integrate these traditional identity providers with the endpoint management systems, it's very complex, and also there's huge cost involved. That is the main problem which we want to solve, and that is where we want to bring in SureIdP, where SureIdP will unite the identity and the device trust, which will make the access more secure and also simpler.
Why did we prioritize SureIdP now and not earlier?
Because we saw huge demand in the market for Zero Trust adoption, and also we got a lot of queries from our existing customers. That's the reason.
And how are our customers liking the feature right now?
It's really fantastic the way they are adopting. We see a huge demand for OS login, and also we have a huge big customer with us already for Okta integration with our SureIdP. So we are fairly happy.
What's one misconception that people have about SureIdP?
So what I've come across is, usually what customers think is that they have to completely replace their identity provider that they are using right now. They have to change the whole workflow, but that is not true. In reality, what happens is we can integrate their identity provider solution with SureIdP, and it is going to complement it, and also make sure the access is more secure, and it's also very easy for the IT team to manage.
If you had to explain the benefits to our customers in 3 words, what would you say?
Secure first, simple, and a lot of relief to IT.
And that was a wrap on another episode of Know the Why. If you want to try out SureIdP, we will link all the resources, and just drop a comment and our team will reach out to you right away. If you have any comments for Shashipriya, please drop them in the comments below and she'll get them answered. And now you know the why. Meet you in the next episode.